Here I have Nokia 2.1 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards we need to remove the back cover. Let's do it by using the cavity near to your charger. So let me just use my nail finger to open the whole thing. Let's do it step by step. And here you've got access to your slots. As you can see, this is the slot for the micro SD card, so let me start with that one. Let's insert micro SD with the characteristic edge right here in that position and press it to the end. Now in order to insert SIM you need to open the following slot, so you need to push in that direction and now you can remove the whole thing. Alright, so then let's insert here the SIM card. Here I have my SIM card. Let's put it right here and let's make it close. Alright, so we've got two cards inserted. You may also use the second SIM card if you would like to, or you can leave this slot empty. Now let me close the back cover protection. Let's press power key to turn on the device and to make sure that both cards work properly. As you can see, the Nokia is turning on. Let's wait a few seconds. Let's unlock the screen. Let's open the list of all apps, choose settings. Here you need to scroll down in order to find and select the storage. And as you can see, the device is using our SD card, so it's a good sign. You can also use network and internet settings, choose SIM cards, and as you can see, the phone is reading our first SIM, so everything is alright. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.